Hi, bebe. Alauna na ngayon at matagal ko ng plinano 'to. Ah, Sana magustuhan mo 'tong gagawin kong video para sa'yo. Music video pala. Magustuhan mo sana. Pakinggan mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, Sandra. Di lang yun. Marami pang iba. Panoorin mo. Magugustuhan mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Sassy, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana magtagal kayo ni Earl. More months na rito ka, more foods to come. Libre mo naman ako kahit minsan lang.
Hello.
So, dahil birthday mo,
Ano na?
kondo-kondo mo. Bakit? Thank you, ingat, God bless.
So, happy birthday, Sisi. So, alam mo naman yung mga sinabi ko sa'yo, lagi ka lang maging strong kahit minsan marami talagang problema sa buhay. Pero alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Tsaka kapag may problema ka rin minsan, ayan, huwag kami iyang kakausapin ako. Tsaka, yan, alam mo naman, di ba, close tayong dalawa. Kaya maraming salamat kasi, yun, naging close friend kita. Kaya yun, kaya happy debut, 18th birthday sa'yo. Dalagang-dalaga ka na at wish ko sana yung dreams mo matupad. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Sandra! Sana mas pumayat ka pa, mas sumexy, tsaka mas tumagal pa ni Earl. Bye-bye!
Girl, happy birthday! Love you so much! Mwah! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Sassy! Legal age na 18 na. Salamat sa lahat at sorry. Sana magtagal kayo ni Earl. Hindi na magtagal. Hanggang forever. Baway forever. Then meron yan. Bye-bye. Love you. Best wishes. Mama. Salamat sa lahat.
Happy birthday, Sandra! Alam mo, kahit ganyan si Earl, sobrang bait niya sa'yo. Loyal pa. So, mas loyal na royalty.
Hi Sandra, happy birthday. Wish ko sana maging close tayo, super close. Joke lang. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday ko. I love you, bebe. And basta happy birthday, God bless you. Take care.
We've been waiting and dreaming, we've always believed in forever. We've been hoping for years that our pennies just turn into gold. Our only rule is that we live this life in the moment. But the future's unknown and the stories are yet to be told. Say we'll be always together, facing the sun as it rises. Our friends like you, they last forever, and everybody's singing ooh, through the good, all the bad, and the better. We'll find our way, no matter what. We can dance, we can stay out, whatever. We'll fall in love, singing ooh.
If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. Cause if I got hold of the medication, realize you used to having anymore. There's no religion that could save me. Oh, my sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. Cause there be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like my clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 yeah. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't look me in the eyes. Same thing. Close my little girl, walking that troublesome guy. Taking straight is something that I can't understand. Ooh, that Ever know I'll try, I pick up these broken pieces till I'm living. If that'll make it right, cause there be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 yeah. Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. Every little broken pieces till I'm leaving. If that'll make it right, there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no sunny skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes would do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 yeah. May birthday message. Happy birthday ulit. Sana magustuhan mo tong video na to. Sana hindi ka na magtampo at yung ID mo, wag mo nang isipin yun. Bumili ka na ng bago, 420 lang. Sana magtagal pa tayo. Alam mo naman na mahal kita. Sana kung ano yun man yung nakikita mo sa akin, magbago naman yun. Hindi naman sa inaano kita na TH ka, pero sana wag mo naman sanang lagyan ako ng mali siya sa mga ginagawa ko. Totoo ako sa'yo. Yun lang yung masasabi ko sa'yo. Mahal kita at totoo ko sa'yo. Loyal na loyal ako, promise. I swear, I swear. Bali, bebe, ito. Bali, napakinggan mo na lahat ng messages sa'yo. May regalo ko sa'yo. Ito, galing sa akin. Ito, galing kay mama. Tag-isa kami.